What can you infer from each sentence? Choose the best answer from the 4 options. Circle your answer. 15. What can you infer from these sentences? A woman is standing outside a cinema. She keeps looking at her watch and looking up and down the street. A. The woman is late for a meeting. B. The woman needs to buy a ticket. C. The film has already started. D. The woman is waiting for someone. We cannot infer that the woman is late for a meeting. Although we're told she's standing outside a cinema and it's likely that this is where she's intending to go, we don't know that this is definitely the case. It may well be that she is late for a meeting, she's looking at her watch, but she's also looking up and down the street, so perhaps she's looking for someone to come. B says the woman needs to buy a ticket. Again, we cannot necessarily infer that just because the woman is standing outside a cinema that she is actually going to go inside. There is no information to tell us whether or not the film has started, so C cannot be given as the right answer. It is likely, however, that the woman is waiting for someone. Don't be fooled by the first sentence that says she's standing outside a cinema. Although it's very likely that she will go into the cinema, we are only to infer what we can from the words we're given. We know that this woman keeps looking at her watch, so she's very conscious of the time, and she's also looking up and down the street. You would do this if you were looking for someone. Perhaps she has arranged to meet someone at a specific time, and they are late, so she's looking for them. This is the only inference we can take from the sentences we're given. The woman is waiting for someone.